So hello guys, today I just want to show you how much I made after I got monetized. I think it was last month. So I'm gonna check when I was approved for the YouTube partner program. Okay, so as you can see, I was approved on June 2. So we are going to set March 2. Okay, so as you can see, I got 108.2k views. My watch time is not that great because I mainly upload shorts and my subscribers are slightly dropped. So I just made $2.67, which is very poor by the way. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.